$2.50.
$2.50. We found a dollar store with food for the challenge.
Mandarin oranges.
Ooh, how much?
2 for $1.50. I'm getting 2.
Are you sure you need those? Is it for your recipe?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see.
Who knows?
Might be. Who knows? You can only spend $10.
Oh yes, that's right. Too.
Yeah.
So I might eat them. You never know.
Might eat them.
Well,
Chips and dips.
sardines 82 cents. I'm getting them anyway because I like them. Okay, here's what you were talking about, Peggy.
Oh yeah, but we don't know. Keep looking. This is your recipe. You got to figure this
I
out.
know. Oh, stuffed vine leaves. What?
Stuffed grapevine leaf. Grape leaves. Not lots of food. Not like they have in USA, yeah?
No. Canned mushrooms.
Okay.
I don't know, so that's going to be part of it.
They're 82 cents each.
Yep.
It's going to be part of it. Part of something. He doesn't know yet, but it's going to be part of it. Oh, he found real food.
And
Asparagus and...
hearts of palm.
Do you know what that
I
is?
haven't got a clue. We'll figure it out.
Okay, but this has got to count towards your...
I know.
They got beans,
Yep.
canned meats. Our prices are a little more expensive here, aren't they, guys?
In the States, oh heck yeah.
Your condiments. Lots of food, eh?
Yeah, it really is.
This is going to be interesting.
Oh, pina colada.
Those are just the mixes, dear.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's going to shop. He has an idea.
Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm Andy. That's Peggy behind the counter. Camera.
Don't do
So anyway,
that.
Misha Lea, I accept your challenge on making a meal for under $10 or up to $10 at a dollar store. Now, our dollar stores don't have the stuff you guys have got. And they're not, some aren't $1, some are $3, some are $4, so that they fluctuate in our area.
And
So
we don't have lots of food in ours.
no, there's not a lot of food in it.
Maybe in the bigger cities.
Maybe, not in our cities.
We don't have a city.
Yeah, we don't have a city. We've got a town. And a town crier. Anyway, so I bought some stuff at the dollar store that I've seen. Okay, D, okay. And, there you go. And, I found these. Noodles.
How much were they? $1.
Spinach noodles. Yeah, they're $1.50 there. This is $1.50. And I've got a can for $1. Campbell's cream of mushroom soup.
That was 88 cents.
This is mushrooms, 82 cents. This was $2, asparagus in a can.
Yeah.
And tuna. I think they were $1.
80, no,
Were
they
they?
were 88 cents.
88 cents.
And you got 2 of those.
And then I got this.
Yeah. You've seen it in the
Hearts
video.
of palms, which
We don't
we've
know.
never had it before, but we've taken it out and we're going to take a taste of it.
We've
see what they
already
taste like.
tasted it.
Yeah, we did.
And we're loving it. We just
And
don't
it's-
know what the heck it is. Oh, look at that. Ooh.
It's really good. It kind of tastes like an asparagus.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's kind of a sweetie. Cut me a piece of that. That's awesome. It's like a sweetie, vinegary, pickly.
Yeah, very good. I like it.
I do too.
I really like that. Okay, so we're going to use this stuff, and this is going to be, we're going to make a tuna casserole.
Oh, one more ingredient.
Oh, we got a bag of chips too as well. Yum, yum, yum. So, and we're going to crunch that up. So we're going to make this our meal for today. So,
It's going to be
let's see how
interesting
this works
because
out.
you can use seasonings.
Yeah.
But that's it. Where's your cheese, man?
Oh yeah, I can't use cheese.
No, we don't
I've
have
got
a dairy
seasoning.
in ours.
No, there's no cheese, there's no bacon there, no eggs, no, well, they didn't even have bread.
Well, they only have bread 1 day or 2 days a week, I think.
Yeah, and we weren't there on that day.
Yeah. Obviously.
And what do you see here, guys? New glasses! Yay!
Look, no elastic. Let me zoom in.
No elastic.
No more elastic.
They look like bubbles.
Okay.
Okay, so bring it right back. Okay, and now the spice that I'm going to be using is Uncle Steve's Gator Shake spice. Gator Shake. Shake when you see that gator. So I'm going to put some of that in there. That'll liven it up. Oh yeah. I'll mix that up. Look at that.
I think your water's ready.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Okay, good. Good. Let's put some of that in there. Oops.
How many you putting in?
I don't know yet.
Spinach noodles.
I've never had spinach noodles before.
Yeah, you have, but not.
Have I?
Yeah, not that kind of noodle, but yeah, you have.
What do you think? 4 maybe?
Sure. It's your recipe, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't try this at home, kids. This shouldn't take long for these. You think that's going to be enough? Okay. Alrighty. The noodles are done. Into the strainer they go. Ow, hot, hot, hot.
Oh, don't wet the glove. It'll burn you.
I know. Whew. Holy. Jethro.
And now?
End is near.
You got your oven preheated to 350.
350, yep.
Okay.
Now, I've tasted it, and I'm going to put a little bit more of the Gator from Uncle Steve's.
Gator powder was
Gator
it?
powder.
Or shake?
You can put the stuff on anything. You heard the commercial, right? There. Now, that gives it such a beautiful taste. And actually, does, you know what? It doesn't taste bad from what we've been tasting. I'm really surprised at these, whatever they are, the hearts.
You really like them.
I really did. Was it hearts of palm?
Yeah. Who knows what they are?
That must be the palm of, palm of your hand. Okay, so spinach noodles. We're putting them in.
Too bad we couldn't get dairy, eh?
Yeah,
For
I know.
the cheese. I mean, we got it in the fridge.
Oh, that would be awesome.
We have it in the fridge,
Yeah, but
Andy.
we can't cheat.
No, we can't cheat. I'd narc you out. Misha
I
Lea
know.
would have at you. Go check out her channel, guys. You wouldn't believe the meals she got for $10 at their dollar store. Unbelievable what she was able to get.
And not just that, these are just a achoo! Oh.
Andy, we eat this later for dinner.
Sorry.
Oh, man.
Yep, I'm all hers.
Yeah, he's
Okay,
all
so we'll
mine.
mix this all in. Now.
Might do better with the tongs.
Maybe. I'm doing okay. It's like saying use a wisp.
You might be just getting away without having the cheese in that.
Look at it.
Is it creamy enough? Do you need to add anything?
No, I don't need to add nothing.
Okay.
I don't think so.
All right.
Now,
Your topping?
now my toppings.
Watch this. This is class.
Nothing but class here. Let me tell you. It takes a certain type.
And these are
Plain.
Ripple.
Yeah. No ketchup chips this time. Yes, we have ketchup chips here. Well, they are good.
Well, you wanted to too. We keep forgetting. Want to send La Farms out
Oh yeah, a bag of ketchup
couple
chips.
bags
Yeah.
of ketchup chips.
He would love them. I know.
Yeah. See, now we're obligated. We said it.
We said it now.
I wonder if they get past the border.
Well, they'll probably think it's something.
Or they'll eat them.
Oh yeah, they'll probably eat them. Why, they can't have these. It's against the law. Let's eat them.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
There. But
Okay.
nothing best but the best.
It's part of the $10. Might as well use them
Use
up.
them all up. I'm going to eat them later.
And in the oven this goes until...
Okay. For 20 minutes, I think.
Or
Wouldn't you?
until heated? I don't know.
Heated. Should I put the lid on there or just leave her like that?
I'd leave it like that.
All right.
You just want it to heat.
Okay. And we'll be right back after we're done.
Okay.
Okay, here it is done now. I got my plate ready. I'm going to plate it up and I'll bring you right back.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells good.
You might want to bring your plate to the dish.
I know.
Ooh. Whoa. Hope you're going to like it.
I know. So do I.
Get your man tool. Here's his list of ingredients. Oh ho, that looks kind of good.
I'll let you know in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, ready for a taste test
I'm
here?
ready.
Okay.
Honest opinion.
I will give you an honest one. I love those hearts.
Yeah, I know. How is it with just the soup in there as your liquid? Was it creamy enough? Make do?
It'll make do. It's all right. It's like, you know, if I had a choice to do it this way or go to a restaurant, I'd go to a restaurant. It's good. It's all right, but
The dog just coughed.
it's all right. It's edible. Is it my favorite? No, but I could eat it.
Good, because that's your supper.
Okay, yep.
Really?
Stop there. I'll get some
Oh, and
chips.
okay.
Anyway, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Leave a comment below what I should have done right.
Thanks, Misha.
Thanks, Misha, for the challenge. It was awesome.